Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Maktoum. In the last video, we have completed with how to create a drop-down list in HTML. So in this video, we are going to discuss about input elements. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. First, create a new file, name it as input.html, get the structure of HTML, change the title tag to input tags. So you can see in each and every application user is going to provide a input that may be your username, password, mobile number. Everything will be given as an input. So how to take the input now? So there is a tag called as input tag, which is having a type attribute. There are different types of attributes, like that type may be a text type or a password type, email type, file type. So we are going to see one by one now. So first I want to ask, enter your name. Okay, after displaying this caption there should be a input box. So say input. So here type is, by default they are going to give you text. So for entering the name there will be a text box. Okay, so after this I will say enter email. So email means what? The in the text box whatever I enter, it should end with @.com, @gmail.com. There should be and .com should come. So for that we have an input type email. Clear with that? So let's see. Let's run it in a browser. So go to browser, run f:/HTML is folder name / the file name is input.html. Okay, you can see here name Maktoum, email we are going to say maktoum@gmail.com. Okay, here we cannot differentiate because there is no button. When we are submitting this form, it will ask, if we didn't provide @.com, it will ask you it is not valid. Okay, it will ask you to enter it again. Okay, so that button, that form submission, we are going to see in the next video. But remember, here in email type there should be @.com. Okay, okay, now I will ask them to enter password. So for password we have a type password. Okay, yes, and by the way, the name attribute, we are going to provide the name for each input type, because when we are submitting the forms in the PHP, we are going to access these things by their names. You should be remembering this, but once again I'm going to explain that in PHP. So input type is password, means whatever I enter it will be in a password format. You can see here. So whatever I enter, it is in a password format. Say now you want to upload a file, so how to do it? I will give you a caption called as upload file. So there's the input type called as file. Okay, now it is going to display like this, where when you click on this, it will allow you to select a file that you want to upload. Okay, this is about file type. Then then you want to select then if you want to display age, there is a type called as number type. Okay, so when I click here, you can see it's a number type. And one thing you should remember, always whatever input you are going to take, everything will be written inside a tag called as form tag, which is having two attributes. One is the action attribute and another one is the method attribute. Okay, action attribute tells you after submitting the form where it should go. That is the action. And method, how it should go, means there are two methods called as get and post. We are going to discuss them in the later videos. So inside the form tag you are going to write everything, that is whatever input you are taking, and submission of the form will be done inside the form tag. Okay, so to submit this, at the last there will be an input type called as submit. Okay, when I say submit, it will go to the action, whatever you are going to specify here, it will go to that page. Clear with that? Okay, so for now I have not given any action. I will tell you about that in the next video. So you can see here there is a submit button. Okay, when I click on it, nothing is happening because I didn't provide any path. What after submitting form, what should happen? I didn't say anything, so that's why nothing is happening. Okay, this is one type of input tag. Then there is something called as input type reset. So reset, what it will do is, okay, so I will type the name, email, upload file I will leave as it is. So when I say reset, it will clear all the content in the text box. I hope I'm clear with this. So this is about half of the input tags. There are some more tags to be discussed, like type, checkbox, radio buttons, and select tag is there. So we are going to discuss about them in the next video. So this is all about in this video, that is type text, email, password, file, number, submit and reset types. I hope I'm clear with this. If you like this video, please like it, comment on it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.